And something else that is adding to that as well is hopes for a vaccine, this time from Russia. As unusual as that would seem, President Vladimir Putin of that country announces that it has approved a vaccine. NBC's Matt Bodner is on the ground there, and he can bring us up to date at least on what we know or don't know about the real potential of such a vaccine. Matt.
Yeah, thank you, David. Well, as Putin today said that it's safe and effective and provides a long-term stable immunity. But the problem is that there's actually not been any long-term studies into the effects of this vaccine. It's only been through phase 1 and 2 trials. So we're talking about a vaccine that maybe, at least under official clinical conditions, up to 100 people have been injected with. And so basically, I think the best way to characterize what's going on here today is that Russia has decided to move forward and do its phase 3 trials live. Production is just now going to start ramping up this month, but the first group of people, probably about 1,000 to 1,500 people, will be doctors. So these will be medical professionals kept close at hand while production, building into September and October, starts to put out tens of thousands of vaccines per day. Russia says that by early next year, it wants to put out millions of doses per day. So really, they're just doing this live, and so we'll really see what happens. Now, nothing has really been published about this vaccine. We just kind of have the word of Russian officials, some of which have said that they themselves have taken the vaccine. Putin said today his daughter has been injected with the vaccine, and it's a 2-stage vaccine. And on the second stage, the people who have claimed to take it say that they've been experiencing just a little bit of a fever on that second day. This is a symptom that needs to be studied likely, and so a lot of questions remain unanswered, but Russia is moving forward and claiming that it has won the vaccine race. Yeah. Very interesting is the name they've chosen for the vaccine, which is Sputnik. So it's pretty obvious what they want you to think about it.
Matt, thank you. Yeah, it is pretty obvious what they want us to think. Our Meg Terrell, of course, has reported extensively on these kinds of vaccines, also made the case that they are very early in. And if this was a U.S. company, we'd be nowhere near having this discussion. But appreciate your reporting. Thank you for joining us.